Wetin dey happen, my people? Welcome back to Naija Gist Central, your number one place for correct entertainment tori o. Today gist hot like fire o, as we get Burna Boy family clarification. Two baba open mouth talk about im pikin, and then Regina Daniels dey chop life for London after all the online wahala. Abeg, before we start, make una grab una popcorn and drink and wait for the ogbonge story. My people earlier this week, internet catch fire with one rumor wey talk say Burna Boy don sack im mama Bose Ogulu as im manager. Like what? But hold on Jehovah Nissi, una sabi her. Nissi, she be musician, Burna Boy sister, don come out sharparly to shut down the gist. She talk say the story na fake news, say nobody sack anybody according to her, mama Burna still dey run things well and e no comot her for her position mama wey dey carry pikin joke, pikin wey no dey carry mama joke. Where the gist dey come from? Abi na allegedly? We no know. So Nissi even para small say bloggers dey always cook up story just to trend. She talk say anybody wey know their family, understand their family, say dem dey work together like engine. You know as engine connect different parts all to make one work dey go ahead. So na so their family, they say dem no get wahala there. Mama Ogulu still be the manager. So for those wey spread rumor say Burna Boy and im mama get wahala, Nissi say make una rest. Everywhere everything dey normal, na fake news. Una hear? Make una no dey fear. Mama Burna Boy still dey control Burna Boy business like usual. Abeg, make una dey spread good news. Make we dive into another story. This second gist sweet and e come dey interesting on top. Legendary musician una sabi am, our two baba, the only baba, don open up about im first son Nino. According to two baba, im first son, im pikin, no too send to follow im footstep for music Nino get im own dream and music no dey inside the matter. No be because I sing my pikin go come sing. Two baba talk say as father, im no dey force any of im pikin, any of im children to do wetin dem no wan do. Better papa, better father of good children. Im just dey guide dem make dem fit choose road. Even yarn say anytime look im pikin ambitions, e dey proud because the boy get im own mind. Hey, see pikin, see papa. So if you dey expect mini two baba, you know say e resemble im papa too much, so people go come think say e go come dey sing like papa. E no dey sing like im papa If you dey expect say make him come dey do music, make him come enter music industry soon, e go dey from another pikin no be Nino. See wetin Facebook people dey talk. Some people say e dey nice, some people say they come dey hug am, some people talk say this thing sweet very good, quite interesting. They come dey give am so many emojis. Yes, in this life, no because we don sing, no because we don be doctor, no because we don be teacher, we don be one profession or the other, we come force our children to do am when their mind no dey there. So with this one gist, make we dive into the last gist for the night. Last we land for Regina Daniels the motto. Na her matter we dey so. After all the online dragging and family drama wey surrounded Nwoko's household recently, na Regina Daniels don waka go cool her hair for London. London, UK. She dey London dey enjoy herself. She dey enjoy wear fine clothes, flex clues, and show fans say nothing fit shake her mood. Odogun wine na odogun wine be dis, okeke wine na Igbo pipu dey call am. Pipu talk say dis vacation na her own way to take relax from all the noise. Pipu come dey pity her, be like say noise don too much for the girl body. Come dey talk, so many pipu come dey talk, come dey show. As dey show herself, she come show herself for Louis Vuitton shopping mall, as she dey shop na, Louis Vuitton na LV, normal LV. So whether vacation or soft life one thing sure, Regina Daniels no dey allow online wahala spoil her shine. Some netizens say she dey chop her savings they say na the last money wey she get na she dey chop so. So na the correct tori we bring for you. Some say if she finish this money, she go come back, everything go finish. Some say if na when network dey, she just needs to make small call, they go just wire her account with plenty money. Plenty people don dey talk, they say make dem leave the small lady, make she enjoy her life. For this life, make you know who dey advise you, make you know who you dey collect advice from. My dear, if you get papa wey the papa no dey give you better advice, shift comot from there, go find who go give you better advice for this life. This life no get duplicate as you dey collect better wrong advice, na so you go dey collect from it for your own. So last if you come be person wey be say you think say this world, say you and person dey competition, my dear, fail, foul. For this life, the only competition wey you get na yourself, na your own self. Wetin you go dey try to dey better, I go better pass the person wey I be yesterday. I no go remain like I was yesterday. If I get one shoe today, tomorrow I go add a pair of shoe. If I get a pair, tomorrow I go add 2 pairs. For my own self, for my own good, no be for wetin people go talk. Make you no go follow people come put hand wetin you no go fit come out from. So na so we end our tori today. As we yarn before, Burna Boy family don settle rumor, talk say sack im mama. E just be say na family matter, and people too dey give fake news, make you no dey mind dem. Baba don carry own come talk say for im pikin dream, e talk say im pikin dream, im pikin wan become doctor, e no wan become musician like am, and im dey support everything wey im pikin dey support, because im dey look im pikin from the side and be like, this guy is really doing well. Last na Regina Daniels wey dey London dey chillax. Abeg make una tell me which of these stories wey shock una pass. Drop your comment, like the video, and subscribe to Naija Gist Central for more updates. See you in the next video.